Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is November 7th, 2016. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, this is the day before Election Day, and what a dramatic move we have here in the markets. Look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You'll see that they are trading up around 2109.5 per contract. This is about a 30-point move from yesterday's or Friday's lows. And what's behind it? Well, you had James Comey, FBI director, come out and say that they're no longer pursuing a case against Hillary Clinton here, and the markets are loving it. So obviously you could tell what Wall Street wants. They want a Hillary Clinton victory, and they're seeing a big pop here as FBI Director Comey basically says that there was nothing new found and the investigation is over. So all in all, it was been a dramatic couple of weeks, but we are seeing futures catch a bid on the back of that news. Now, let's take a look at some stocks in the market today that can make us some money. But the reality of it is, this is probably the news story of the day. All right, let's take a look at MGM Resorts. Looks like they came out with some news this morning. Some earnings. Stock right now is trading at $27.75, closed at $26.41. So this is a good pop here for MGM. I'm going to give it a slight upside bias. I know it's a little bit overbought, a little bit stretched here from Friday's close, but this can still go higher, especially on a euphoric day like today. Give this the upside bias to around 28.25, maybe 28.5. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do anything here. We'll be looking at it for pattern throughout the remainder of the trading day. This can also help to lift some other casino names, Wynn Resorts, trading up a little bit on the news. Then you have LVS. Let's take a look at that one. Las Vegas Sands trading up a little bit on the news. And even Melcro, MPEL. See what that's doing there. That's not really doing too much, but again, MGM with a pretty big pop this morning, and that's on the back, I believe, of earnings. Next up, we have Biogen, BIIB. It looks like they worked with Ionis, and they have a drug that looks very promising. Again, you could look at the news yourself. Right now, the stock is trading at 287, closed at 277. There's not a ton of volume below here, but nonetheless, it's a good little pop, so we'll see how that plays out. Right off the bat, though, I am seeing a lot of resistance around 289.50, 290. So, again, we got to get through that level. We'll keep this one on the radar today. It could be in play a little bit later. I did see earlier that Cisco Foods Cisco Corp is in play today. I think it's earnings, but you could check it out for yourself. Stock right now is trading at $51, closed at $48.04. So, good little pop there, but you're coming into a lot of resistance just above $52 if it does trade up there. Now, there's no volume down here, so again, you're going to need to see some volume kick in, but keep this one on the radar. Again, around 52. I'm going to say 52.5 on an overshoot, because this stock definitely can overshoot sometimes. So around 52.5. Watch for a ton of resistance on this name today, just as an intraday potential play. Next up, we're going to take a look at Blue Nile. Ticker symbol is NILE. It looks like it is being taken over by a private equity group. So all of a sudden, Blue Nile, which was trading down below $31 on Friday, is being bought out, taken over by a private equity group. Nice pop there. So there's nothing to do long or short here. Just let it play out. It should just go sideways for the remainder of the day. But nonetheless, that is a nice pop for Blue Nile. Let's take a look at Home Shopping Network. And what you're going to see here, HSNI, I believe the ticker symbol is there. And this stock is trading down a little bit, closed at around $36, trading at $35.40. I have to think that this is so oversold. At some point, it will find some support here, but be very careful with this HSNI. Still pretty weak overall. NetSuite and Oracle are finalizing their deal, so it looks like NetSuite being bought out for 109, or I'm not sure the exact price, but it looks like somewhere around the 109, 110 level. You can see how the stock has just gone sideways. So that deal is expected to go through today. It will be consummated, and we'll see how that plays out. Dean Foods is on my radar. DF is ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $18.83. Again, no volume in this, so be careful. I'm seeing a lot of resistance around $19.10 to $19.25. So there's not that much upside in this name this morning. All right, let's shift gears here because everything is probably trading higher. Whenever you get the futures up 29 to 30 points, every stock is just trading higher. But one stock you do have trading higher today is Deutsche Bank. And again, that stock's catching a big, big bid. Closed at $13.45, now trading at $14.70. If Hillary wins, this is most likely a stock that could be bailed out. And Wall Street likes bailouts. Wall Street likes free money. So again, Wall Street wants Hillary, likes Hillary Clinton, and that's just the way it is. All right, let's shift gears here and look at the gold market. Gold this morning getting hammered, down $18 to $1,286.60 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, what you're going to see here is GLD is trading around 122.65, closed at 124.39. So this is a pretty good haircut. Those of you that are InTheMoneyStocks members know what I'm looking at for gold, and it fits right into our pattern that we've been looking at. So good sell-off here in gold. And gold mining stocks, take a look at the GDX this morning. They're getting hammered as well. GDX is trading at $24.29, closed at 25.07. Then you have a lot of individual gold miners like Newmont Mining really taking a big haircut. Agnico Eagle, I believe, is also down sharply. Gold Corp, GOLD, or Randgold, excuse me, down a little bit. Then you have GG, which is Gold Corp, trading down sharply. So all the gold miners and gold itself trading down very, very sharply this morning ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look here at crude oil. Crude oil is trading down about 65 cents today. Right now, crude is trading at $44.72 a barrel. So crude with a good little uptick. And if you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to follow if you're trading crude, you'll see that's up around $10.10, closed at $9.98. So decent little uptick for crude oil. Gold is down, crude is up. And right now, the market's pricing in a big Hillary bounce after James Comey, the FBI director, said there's no new evidence to prosecute Hillary Clinton. So we'll see how this all plays out, and we'll see what this market gives us today. And don't forget, the election is tomorrow. So pretty interesting stuff. Right now, futures are flying high, up 29.5 points ahead of the opening bell. You could see right when they opened last night at 6 o'clock, futures just took off. That news came out around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So again, market took off to the upside on the back of a Hillary victory, or back of this FBI allegations being dismissed. So again, we'll see how this all plays out. Should be an interesting Monday. With that being said, everybody, I hope everybody had a great weekend, and we'll have a lot more for you in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We had a great week last week, great year in 2016, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of this year, right into 2017. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we'll see you on the charts.